Hey guys, it's Gun Deity here. I have something cool for you. Something new from Springfield Armory and HS product. It's the new ECHELON. Neat gun, neat name, but what's really cool is how innovative it is. It takes pretty much all the cues that you would want from a custom pistol and it makes it into a production gun. Granted, it shares a lot of the looks from the Hellcat series, hence, you know, HS product is the maker of both, so it would make sense that the design would be similar on both. But what makes this one different is it's a full-size gun and it has a lot of features that are upgrades compared to the Hellcat. First and foremost is you're going to see the slide serrations are deep set and they got this like cool little channel here that makes it easy for press checks. It's got these little cool wings in the back to help you rack that slide a little easier. And then it's got grip texture that's just this beautiful like Hellcat style grip texture, but it's throughout the whole gun. You got it along the grip, above the grip there. You got it on your magazine release. You have it on the slide takedown. You have it on this little thumb shelf, which actually does have a little bit of a shelf for like a little gas pedal. You got it on the extra double undercut there. You have it all the way around the grip. You even have it on that little striker plate back there and on the very front end of the recoil spring. Neat concept, makes it really look sharp, and it actually feels really nice in the hand. It is optics ready, but what is really neat about this optic system is it's revolutionary in the aspect that it can hold up to 30 different styles of optics with just changing some pins. Comes with multiple different pin sets. I believe the one that's already on the gun is for the RMR, but then you have one for the shield, and you have one for the Delta Point and the Delta Point Pro EFLX. So cool options and definitely revolutionary in that aspect, because the next closest thing would be like the Taurus TX22 competition, where you have that plate that just flips around for different optics. So it's nice to see that a optic system is direct mount to the slide with just changing a pin set to change different optics. Going from there, you have your U-notch rear and that bright, everyone says green, but I say yellow front sight. I guess it's however your eyes see it. Kind of like all the Hellcats. Of course, it's designed to after the Hellcat. It looks a lot like the Hellcat, and it's a bigger version of the Hellcat. But what's really cool is, let's show empty here. There's empty there. Is this trigger pull. Ready? There's your little take up there. You get to the wall, and then it's a nice, clean, it's a little bit on the heavy side, probably right around 4.5, 5 pounds. It's not terrible. If you're used to shooting Glocks, it's way better than a Glock. But it's an amazing little trigger. I would show you reset, but it's kind of hard to do one-handed, so you'll just have to take my word that it is an amazing reset on that. But this guy does come with 2 mags. One's a 20-round mag, one's a 17-round mag, but inside the box it comes with the extra base plate and everything to run this as a 20-rounder as well. So that's pretty awesome. But what you'll notice is it looks a lot like the XD mags. Well, I have an XDM here. This isn't 9mm. You'll notice when you take this mag out, they are very similar dimensionally. Very similar dimensionally, but the biggest difference is where the mag catch is located. If I level these out, you'll notice that the mag catch on the XDM is lower than the mag catch on the ECHELON. This makes it where the mag will go in to the ECHELON, but it actually won't lock. So I'm betting if you held it, maybe it would function, but I don't know. But what's neat is the ECHELON's mags go in, and Granted, this one's the XDM with the flared magwell, but the standard one without the flared magwell, it actually locks in. It just won't, it sits too low to actually feed. So you might be able to get away with holding your XDM mags and shooting the Echelon. You won't be able to run your Echelon mags in your XDMs. It just won't work. But it's neat that they share a lot of the same design features, and XDM mags have been pretty reliable over the years. This is a really neat pistol for anyone who wants like a custom gun right out of the box. I don't think you really have to do much to this. Maybe get a threaded barrel for it and some more mags, and then this thing's ready to go. I mean, I like the sights, I like the optics plate, and the grip is amazing. The trigger is really nice. Honestly, it might be a Glock killer. Definitely something you should check out. If your local store gets one of the Echelons, you should definitely check one out. I might be getting this one, so you're out of luck on this one, but check out the new Springfield Echelon whenever you get a moment.